let's make another video. Kanina, nakita naman natin to, no? Yung chili natin is, kinain ko naman siya, which is hindi ako naanghangan. Okay? Maybe because baka matagal na to, na-preserve na, or for some reason talaga, hindi talaga siya maanghang. So, I would like to give a benefit of a doubt na. So, now, what I did is, bumaba ako sa sa baba, and I specifically requested for raw Thai chilies. So, this is the moment of truth, guys. So, I will be debunking kung ano bang maanghang. Okay? At first, sabi nila, ang Thai chili daw is maanghang pa daw siya sa labuyo natin. Yun ang pagkasabi sa akin before. I don't know kung tinatakot lang ako nung taong nakausap ko na sinabi maanghang ang Thai chilies, no? Maanghang pa sa labuyo. So, now I'll challenge myself now. Without further ado, let's have a try. Moment of truth, guys. May saipat. No? No, sir. Hindi po siya manghang. May konting kick, pero hindi siya manghang. Hindi yung tipong maanghang siya because maanghang siya. No. Hindi siya. No, sir. So, wala talagang anghang. Oh, excuse me. Wala talagang anghang eh. Well, you heard the hiccup, but every time kasi na kumakain ako ng siling labuyo, God, they know, sunod-sunod na ang hiccup ko. That means it's spicy for me. But for now, wala talaga. So kung na sinasabi nila na maanghang ang Thai chili, think twice. Maanghang pa rin yung labuyo natin. That's 100% sure. So, it's been like 3 minutes. Assuming 2 minutes na, no? Since kinain ko yung first na labuyo, supposedly, it really hits me. So, wala. So, wala akong magagawa. I think I'll be munching more of this, and we'll see kung saan ako abot. Then again, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this vlog, and have a good day.